Based on what's going on right now, I think there are a lot more people who realize it's bad to have one primary source of income, and it's good to diversify your income. And with the work at home type of business being around before everything hit, there are still plenty of ways for you to earn extra money with all the extra time that you have. So that's why in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 of the different ways that you can make more money during your extra time. And we'll also throw a bonus one at the end for people who really want to accelerate. Now, if you do like the idea of videos that help you to make more money and gain more visibility, definitely make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications bell, because that's what we talk about all the time on this channel. So going right into these different ways to make money online, there's certainly a lot of them, but not all of them are created equal. You can use surveys to make money online, but you're not going to make a lot of money that way. So that's why we've trimmed down the different options so that the ones that I'm sharing with you in this video are ones that the extra income you make, if you keep putting enough time in these areas, can actually make a sizable difference, rather than something like surveys, which is very hard to see meaningful income. The first thing that's going to help with creating extra income for you is to create online products. So books and training courses are doing really well right now. And one interesting thing about the books, because I did a video recently about how the coronavirus is affecting self-published authors. In that video, I mentioned how paperback sales can go down. And I have seen that on my end. While I have made less paperback sales, my ebook sales are surging, and I'm also getting more Kindle pages read in their Kindle Unlimited program. I'm getting more of that than I've gotten in any other month so far. I'm on that pace. So with all the changes that are happening, people are buying less physical products. They're buying more ebooks. They're buying more like low-cost training courses, like what you would find on a place like Udemy. And that is an opportunity for you to earn extra income. And for a training course, you could do as little as an hour worth of videos. You just put a bunch of videos together with a whole theme, with a whole structure. And with a book, I go for something like 15,000 to 20,000 words. Some people do a no content book format where it's literally just one page repeated 100 times because it's a workbook. So those are just some of the different options you have. If you already have a training course and you're looking to turn it into a book or vice versa, you may be interested in a video where I covered how you can turn your book into a training course. The second way to make extra money with your extra time is through sites like Fiverr and Upwork. And I primarily focus on Fiverr because you get to create different services. And with Upwork, Upwork's good too, depending on how much time you want to put into it. But in my experience with Fiverr, I do no promotion. I don't promote any of my Fiverr gigs, but people just come to those gigs because of the Fiverr algorithm. So based on my experience, it's a lot easier to get some initial momentum on Fiverr, even if you don't have any type of an audience at all. And you can offer anything ranging from helping people create their social media posts to helping people gain extra exposure if you already have an audience, to creating someone's logo. There's a lot of different options available on Fiverr. So I'd recommend looking around on Fiverr, seeing some of the different options that make the most sense given your skill set, and then starting to create a whole bunch of gigs around what you're good at. You don't have to sell all of the gigs. You don't have to have every gig be a big success on Fiverr. But if you just have a few of them really take off, it can make a difference and help you earn some extra income. Now we're going to get into that bonus tip really soon. That's going to really help with all these different strategies. But the third thing we're going to get into is affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing is the biggest myth buster that a lot of people come across. They say, I don't have a product, I don't have a service, I don't have knowledge to create that type of a product, so I can't make any money here. Affiliate marketing says there's a product that exists that you could promote to your audience. And when you promote that product and someone buys that product, you make a commission. So pretty much if Amazon has an affiliate program where if you were to promote one of their products and someone buys it through your link, you earn a commission. So Amazon has some of the lower commission rates in the industry. Part of that is just because they have everything available to you. Like they have, it's Amazon. They have so many different things available. But there are other affiliate programs of training courses or just softwares and other products that will give you 10%, 20%, even 50% commission in some cases to promote their products because they're able to do that. And looking for different affiliate offers, all you really have to do is just do a Google search of a product you want to promote and just put like affiliate program next to it, or even like a niche, so that you're getting like, if you do like YouTube course affiliate program as a Google search, you may find a bunch of different options that fit that criteria. So that's one of the key ways you could start finding affiliate programs right away. If you can't, for some reason, based on your niche, Amazon has their affiliate program, which has practically everything, every type of product you would want to promote as an affiliate. The bonus tip for you guys is to start a podcast. This is one of the best times to start a podcast because people who are normally not accessible are very accessible now, because speaking gigs have been canceled. A lot of things have happened because of this event where you have more people staying home who would previously be on the go. So it's easier to book high profile guests on your show. And when it comes to all these other ways to generate income, podcasting is an amplifier. Do you want to sell more books and training courses? Interview people on your podcast who may buy those things from you, but who may promote your book or course to their audience. And when they promote the episode to your audience, that's an opportunity where some of the listeners can end up buying those things. From a freelancing standpoint, like Fiverr and Upwork, some of the guests you have on your show may want to hire you for those things or become a coaching client. Or the same thing can be said about the listeners. And from an affiliate marketing standpoint, you could sponsor your own episodes. So if you don't have a sponsor for your podcast episode, you could bring on something like Audible or Kindle Unlimited and talk about that, and then provide your link in the show notes. You could also talk up one of your books or products or one of your own services in the very same way. So podcasting really allows you to tie everything together and quickly expand your network, which is why it is the bonus tip for this video. Do you have another income generating strategy that you want everyone here to know about? Make sure you leave it in the comments. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe for more videos just like this one. I look forward to seeing you in future content. And until then, dream big, achieve greatness, and unlock your potential today.